Okay, welcome back everybody. Still in the cleaning process. What you do here is you want to make sure like this, you don't have a ton of wear or anything like this on your bushings, because like this is a little bit just an impression, there's no real wear. You got another one on the back of here. This one's actually a fiber plate, that's not bad, still usable. Can't feel any of that by hand, I'll have to scotch bright it a little bit. Eventually I have to start looking for a motor because you can almost feel it. It's never good. Long story short, this is the end, and then you got a bushing here and these teeth. You want to inspect all this stuff and clean it all up in here and make sure, clean it all off. Make sure you don't have a huge groove or anything like that. Basically, here's the housing. I'll clean up the hand a little bit. So there's the original housing. See, these are all cleaned up, the contacts. It's all cleaned out in there. It's just painted brown in there. It cleaned all the dirt and the dust out and cleaned your main. Power off. All original, 1953. So, here we go. Here your cone's all good. Check your bushing. Mine, when we put the tip of that in there, doesn't have any real play, so you're good. Because you want to actually, check, see if there's a bunch of play. I'm starting to get just a barely little amount. It's $3 for this bushing, and then you also have one here in the tail. So this one and this one together is about $6 from 40 Classic Chevys .com. So anyway, we'll get those in these contacts here all in one package because I ordered all that. So that's why I say the starter will make it with new contacts that I have until that stuff gets in here, because I don't drive as much as you think. But that's where we're at. We're going to clean this, and we are going to clean this motor. This is all cleaned as well, the gear. I'm going to check this bushing down in here, and mine's good still. I check that. That rides up here in the shaft more. You got to make sure, because this is your gear that turns your motor over. It ain't playing around or you'll destroy your flywheel. And these pickle forks I got to find online will get ordered, but that thrusts the thing forward. That's why they have wear on the tip a little bit there. You see, it's obvious. See, it thrusts that forward and back. That's how old school starter works. All right, we'll get back to you. Thank you, everybody. It'll be the next video here, or I'll have them blended.